Hi guys, welcome back to Rad Sky Lab and welcome back to the Barn Find CNC project. So in the last video you would have seen we got the machine into the workshop and we went through and cleaned up all the surface rust on these linear rails. So the machine's been sitting for a few weeks since that time, and now it's time to get back into this project. And the next part of this is we're actually going to shift the machine to its final resting place, which is over behind your left shoulder there. And to that end, we've decided we're going to make just some temporary trolleys using these castors, and then we're going to jack this machine up, put it onto those castors, and see if we can roll it into its final position. So yeah, come along for the ride. We're going to start making these trolleys and see if we can get this thing moving. Cool. Is that going to work? Is there an angle that they're going to end up on that whole thing will fall over? These are a little bit lower. If I cut, yeah, I've got another. Let's drop that back off the jacks. I also want those casters to be spaced further apart. Yeah.
Oh, the combo closes. It will be lower, but this is the higher than rotator.
No. There was some other issues with that. Can we drop this back down?
We've worked through Concentrate. Big broke fiddle. Bugger.
Bugger. You wonder if it was good we had the two castors were fighting each other.
Very possibly.
Yeah. So, but we kind of encourage them to do that. Yeah, this guy, he's got the same failure as the, but we're a little bit.
Hi guys, welcome back to Rad Sky Lab and day 2 of trying to move the CNC machine halfway across the workshop. So yesterday we had 3 different attempts of trying to move this machine, which ended up in caster failure. So we think we kind of worked out 3 ways how not to do this, and we did actually manage to move the machine about 3 or 4 meters, or at least the length of the machine again, to probably a worse position in the workshop than when we started. So yeah, we knocked off and went and had a beer last night because yeah, that was near a complete fail of a day. But back for day 2, we have gone out and sourced some bigger, heavier duty casters, and with yesterday being such a learning experience, we think we have a way of actually getting this done. So we're going to reposition you to another part of the workshop, and we're going to pull out some tools, and hopefully in an hour or so have this sitting in position. So let's see how that goes.
What could possibly go wrong? Okay, on that note, we need to disassemble these. To remove all